In the span of 3 weeks, 2 bike riders have been hospitalized due to a car hitting them, most recently this past Saturday. With such serious injuries in such a short period of time, it's important for both car drivers and cyclists to take caution when riding on the road. Tom Seaburn has been riding his bike for 30 years now and has competed in many national bike races. He's also been hit by a car himself 4 times. And for car drivers on the road, he says it's simple what cyclists want.
Give a cyclist space. That's all we ask for. Just give them a little space as you go around them. In fact, what a lot of cyclists will do is they will take up the whole lane so that you make sure to give them space.
Along with using rear view mirrors on your sunglasses or bike, Seaburn also says it's important for bike riders to wear bright colors like yellow or orange.